So, Jai Hind everyone, how everyone is doing? I know it's a little bit late to put this video up, but this was the only time I shoot my video. I wish you a very happy Independence Day, and also the vlog kind of thing will be up on my channel tomorrow. I have not made a perfect vlog, but just I had some clips of today which we did in our NCC programs and other things. So I have just clips of them and whatever water activities or other things we did. I have just a clip of them and I'll be uploading them tomorrow. And I literally woke up at 4:30, and after that I got up ready. I did all my uniform, I wore it and all that stuff. I did all that things, and then at 6 o'clock I had to reach the boat pool, and then I we did all that decorations and all. Like, I'll be showing you some pictures which will be coming tomorrow only, all the decorations and how we did what we did and what were the activities, and all the things will be up in tomorrow's vlog. So yeah, I came back at 2:30 or 3 p.m. around. I reached home, and it was a really tiring day, but also we enjoyed a lot, and it was a really great opportunity for us as NCC cadets to serve for the country and to contribute in this Independence Day. I think we had a really great opportunity to meet so many warriors over there, and also some I mean, what I would say about them, some famous personalities, we could say, like, famous for us. So, yeah, some great personalities were also over there. So, we had a chance to listen to them, listen to their experience, how they fought, and we also had some retired army men from like 1971 wars and all that wars and all. So we have all that retired army uh, persons, and those those listening to them was such a great wonderful experience. Like, I couldn't tell them in words like how dedicated they were towards their country, towards their nation, and we really got inspired a lot from them, and hearing to their speeches as well as knowing their all their achievements and their struggles and everything. It was a very good experience to listen to them, and we felt really, really great, and it was awesome. So we really had a great day, and also having so many great army officers, navy officers over there were really a great opportunity for all of us. So yeah, it was a great experience and we enjoyed a lot as well. So there were so many activities there, water activities as well, and we also have our guests. So over and all, it was a wonderful day for me, and I may look a little bit tired because I am tired. I reached at 3 p.m., and after that I just had something lunch, and then I had 2 or 3 hours sleep. So I woke up that only, and from that time I'm not still good. So, and even my hairs are same tied up only. I haven't opened them. So I know I may sound a little bit of awkward type, but it's okay, I think, because this is the only thing I go through, and I went through today. So yeah, but it was a really great day. I enjoyed a lot. We had a great uh, programs over there. We had great speeches of all the teachers and all our sir, and also some of our cadets. So it was really great opportunity uh, to be present at that all programs and all. So yeah, I really want to share all those clips to you, like sailing a boat, boat pulling, a Gemini boat. It was so wonderful. Like we did all the preparations. It was really very encouraging and full of like strength, full of freshness, and full of energy, dedication, everything we had. So it was a wonderful day for me. So I again wish you a very happy Independence Day, and also a message for you all that uh, even if you can't be army personnel, or even you if you can't be on defense lines, but try to be a good citizen, and try to respect to your nation, and keep your nation first. That's all what I can say. So as a normal citizen, or as a citizen of this nation, you also have some responsibilities. And even if you are not a defense person, or even if you are not an NCC cadet, but you are a citizen of this country, and you have so much responsibilities to follow the rules, to teach other people too. You can do whatever you want to. I mean, for the nation, you have all what we cannot do. Even we cannot do. Like, we are NCC cadets, we have a great responsibilities on us, we have a great opportunities to do so much social work, and so much in field of NCC and in field of defense. But other than this, these citizens, they are also responsible for everything which happens in the nation. So be a responsible citizen and contribute for your nation. That was it for this video. I hope you really enjoyed listening to me. I If you didn't enjoy listening to me, you will definitely enjoy watching my vlog, which will be coming tomorrow. So yeah, don't forget to watch it. Like, yeah, I'll definitely put it up tomorrow. Like, today I had to edit it and all that. I also had to give some voiceover, so maybe I'll do it tomorrow. But I also had to go tomorrow for some work to college. But I'll try to do it tomorrow and I'll upload it. So yeah, I think I will be able to keep this promise. So yeah, that was it for the video. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.